Greetings and salutations. In this video, we're going to go ahead and set up a data science environment inside of Conda using a pre-configured environment YAML file along with a requirements.txt. To begin, go to the top right, click on Spotlight, then type terminal, press enter to launch into terminal. From there, look at the bottom of the video description. Copy and paste the two commands required to download and install, or just to simply download, the YAML environment and the requirements.txt using Command C, and then paste into terminal using Command V. Then press enter. Once done, we're going to create the environment using Conda space env space create space -f space ds.yaml, and then press enter. Now, this process may take a bit of time because there are quite a few packages that will be downloaded. Please feel free to let this process go and come back after having a coffee or so. With all of the Python packages now installed, we can step into the environment to make sure that it's working properly by typing conda space activate space ds, pressing enter. You'll notice that we stepped into the environment because we go from base, which is the global environment, into ds, which is the environment that we came up with. To return to the base or the global environment, we'll type conda space deactivate and then enter, and we're back in the global environment. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped. See you in the next video. Bye now.